Welcome back. My name is Viktor. I'm the yard manager at Bryan's Auctions. Very important, we have a preview period. Preview will always be while the auction is happening. If the auction starts on a Saturday and ends on a Wednesday, preview will go throughout Saturday to Wednesday. Obviously we have hours of operation. Saturdays typically 8 till 12. Sunday we aren't open, but then right again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we're back in action 8 till 5 o'clock. What's important is you're coming to a live yard. I can't stress enough, you want to have proper attire for the yard. It's a shame if you were to bring your nice kicks or nice dress shoes. It can get pretty muddy. It's an active site, whether it's bulldozers coming through here. The ground can get pretty dirty. Conditions are always important. If there's ice, if there's snow, we try our best to keep it clean, keep it safe, but always have the proper footwear, proper attire. It makes a big difference, and it makes us feel better when you don't have to destroy your nice shoes. What you want to do is you want to get to our website however you know how. You can do even a Google search, Bryan's Auctions, Bryan's Auction Sales. That's going to bring you right to where you need to go. Pretty straightforward. We pop right up. Once you get to the website, just take a minute, read a few of the pages. You'll be able to navigate it without an issue. Very user-friendly. The whole system's based online. So don't be worried about anything. Don't be intimidated by it. It's a very straightforward process. We make it so that people don't have issues with it. We took a lot of feedback. We put a lot of time into it. So hopefully it works out well. You'll also have luck searching pretty much anything that has to do with Bryan's and auctions. It'll pop right up. It'll get you to us.